Hello everyone! We're on our journeys out today and I'm using my gimbal for the very first time. So it should be nice and smooth-ish. We're heading off to Seaton today, so we're going to go on a little journey on a tramway. So this is my first time using my gimbal Moza P. There's a driver. Where's the driver?
Oh, hello.
So
is that what I'm called now? Is it driver?
Oh, the driver. I'm sorry, it's a little bit Simone there, so honestly, ting ting. Yeah, I was trying to have a little conversation with him. There's a little driver. That's a bit spawnified, isn't it?
I'm driving.
Hello, people. Imagine if you was the driver and you're doing this, and you're like, oh, there's a person there. Crash.
Did you see Matty's video? He's got a Tesla and he's driving along, and he then just went put it on auto drive and just let go of everything, and he's vlogging with his brother. I was just driving along. Like, I don't know how long it would take me to get used to that.
It would be a bit difficult.
Freaked me out a bit.
Freaking morning, freaking it. Yeah. So how are you all doing, everybody? We've got a nice sunny day today. Yeah, it was our first time back together this year. Me and my editor, Mr. Randolph Bucket Features.
Since the end of November?
Since the end of November.
That's pretty mental.
So it's like half a year.
Crazy.
Like 6 months. We've been working virtually through the online on the video chat. God, how many minutes you done already, Bartie, Joyce? 12 hours. I don't know, all days. Even though you got bumpy road, it still seems to be quite smooth.
It's really smooth, isn't it? Yeah.
So that's a bit of a woohoo, hello. Oh, that's been quite cool on a ride, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Right, holding it out on like a roller coaster, and then you'd be like, woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. Yeah, it's very nice. We've got some bright sunshine today with some. Oh, hello, I'm on that side. We've got some bright sunshine today with some lovely clouds. Show you the
Show off, man.
Show you the journey. Woohoo! Why is it show off, man? It's just how it works. I should have actually just taken it to the other thing, shouldn't I?
That's easy, just turn it around, I think. I like it. It's cool.
Well, what I've done it.
Yeah.
I was filming that thing, filming the driveway. Road.
Yeah.
Long and windy road leads you back to your door. Sorry, a bit at the end. Oh dear. Get some nice little views over there. Sorry, beautiful.
It's lovely today.
It's a bit of a bumpy road. Bloody hell. Any animals out today? No, no animals.
Over there.
Animals. I wonder if these people freaking out. They can see the they can see the video.
Buzzard.
Oh, a buzzard. A golden buzzer.
A golden buzzard.
We'll do a review on this Moza P when I get used to it a bit better.
We'll flip it around so you can talk.
Yeah, we'll do a lovely review of this Moza P gimbal eventually when I get a bit more use out of it. How beautiful that colour is as well. My training experience is beautiful. Like,
Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it?
you got lovely sun on one side. You know, the shades on the other side. Rolla falla!
Sonaninsky.
Sonaninsky. I don't mean nothing.
Oh, it's just a very silly thing.
Oh, hello.
Sorry about that.
Oh, hello. It's just jump up using. Oh gosh. People are going to think, like, what an idiot this guy's been today on this flogging Insky. Oh, we're going to do a new flogging show today then, are we?
Yeah, we could do.
Because you sound like it's old hat now. My voice is rude, man. Oh, no traffic today. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I like this on the side road.
The sun is shining and the weather is sweet.
One eternity later.
Makes you want the movie Dancing Feet, doesn't it, really?
Now, David. Jabberwockies, what the hell?
Jabber the Hutt.
What the heck does that mean?
What?
Jabberwockies.
Jabberwocky.
Oh, got a Seaton. I filmed 6 minutes and a half now. I like doing travel, journey, vlogs. I think they're really cool. One of my favourite sort of vlogs to do. Hopefully we'll be going busking soonish. Well, it's not now. We've at some point this year. Can't it up because you do that. All over the shop, mate. Joyce, how you doing? It's Scooby-Doo. Oh, shalaboo, crack, crack. You ain't never mind that. Would it be heavier with my camera in?
Yeah, your camera's heavier, isn't it?
So would this be heavier to hold?
Yeah, if your camera's heavier and it's in the gimbal.
Oh my goodness, that'd be too hard. I can't believe it. Look at this lovely empty roads, open roads we've got. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Look, empty roads, long and white, lovely jubbly. So beautiful. Oh, what's the temperature there, I wonder?
Outside, 9.
Only 9? There's a lot harder than that.
Well, the sun's warm, it's just the air's cold.
This would probably freak a lot of people out if we started using this on a ride, wouldn't it?
Yeah, do it. Let's do it. Go for it.
Where's the driver? Hey, back door here.
You like doing that, don't you?
What? Doing a spinny round? That saved me for holding on to my camera for God knows how long. Well, what I do. What are you saying to me? Shows us from the journey. That's from the journey.
Want it?
One, two. Kualali Shaka. It's one of my vlogs that we've done that's like 20 odd minutes. That's not gone too bad, that was a journey. Somewhere over. Short journey, one man dog. When were you going to Europe, where it was?
Going back to Czech Republic in a while.
You should post it. How long would that video be? We didn't like cut anything out of it.
Well, the way the time lapse works on the GoPro, it actually takes photos. So it takes a photo every. Oh, what I figured it to do. I think I did 30 seconds, and it may have been a bit too long because it was on the motorway, obviously, a lot of it. I think it would have been better doing maybe 15 seconds or maybe even 10. The bit when from Southampton back home, that's really nice and smooth.
Yeah.
But the main journey through Europe is a little bit bumpy and stuff, just because you don't like it. Imagine like taking a picture here and then taking a picture just before you turn off by that tower up there.
Yeah.
There's too much of a change. You don't necessarily see it too clearly. So, but I'll have a play with it, see what we can do.
We should.
Chop chop. Oh really?
Yeah, chop chop, yeah. We're about back to work now, on chop chop. Lot of edges and setting. I'll see some traffic. Here comes Seaton sign. And I'm getting teeth out. You can get words out, Bartie.
There's the sea, looking beautiful today.
Yeah, that's a beautiful. Oh, might be another option that we can do then. We go down the orange sea. Fun. Oh, well, yeah, that's the boat. Our view's amazing. Amazing view. Salalina. Mashalina. See, when you live in Devon, hardly any traffic. There's wonderful.
It's only traffic at the moment. Going to be a wee bit busier, obviously, in the summer. There's already 6 million people coming down to Cornwall.
Oh, well, they can go somewhere else, please. Hopefully things will be a bit more in a better way in the summer. Oh, look at those trees. Quite good with your direction, aren't you?
How do you mean?
You're getting to places.
I used to know every road in East Devon. Like someone could say, oh, I live on so-and-so street in Sidford, and you're like, yeah, no worries.
Right.
I'd have to get that out.
Yeah, right, sunshine. Town centre and seafront. Yeah, good marshal. That was like when we went to X at that time, wasn't it?
Every red light.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should have been like a 15-minute drive. It's like 40 or something, wasn't it?
It was funny.
Red light, red light, red light.
It was dropified though, wasn't it?
It was a bit dropified, whatever that is.
Oh, here we go.
Whatever that is, it probably was that, yeah.
Dropified is a word, mate.
Oh, is it?
Oh, I don't understand my languages. I'm laughing in my face. Oh. Seaton Wetlands.
That's really nice. That's where you're gonna go with that, are you? So what do you park there? What do you park? Here? The tramway?
No idea. Like kids go places more than what we do. In like
There's someone parking there when I look at it.
in like a shorter amount of time.
Yeah. Oh, that's a Bartie Joyce parking space, all right. Look at that bad boy. Ooh.
Oh really? Bad boy? Oh, I call him in the